In this video, I'm going to show you how to white out text in Adobe Acrobat. So to do this, you actually are going to have to use the redact tool using white color. So I'm going to go to the right hand side here. I'm going to search for tools and I'm going to type in redact, okay? When you do this, it says redact text and images, so click on this. And by default, this is going to be black color looking like this, okay? So to actually white out, you want to click on the top over here where you can see this kind of arrow down next to redact text and images. Click on that and go into properties. From here, you want to go and set the redact area fill color to white, so currently it's black. Click on it, switch over to white, and then click on OK. Now, whenever you do this to white out text, you can simply go and drag rectangles around it like that, or you could go ahead and basically just like hover over it like this, as if you were like highlighting, and it's going to redact that portion as well. And then whenever you, of course, hit the apply button, all of the marked areas are gonna get redacted, and of course, it's gonna give you a whiteout effect over that specific text. So that's how to do this. Just basically mark areas like all the ones you want to white out. Whenever you're done, you can just click apply and you're good to go. These changes will take effect. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.